You are going to love the 2020 Lexus NX. The Lexus NX is sculpted to look nimble while hinting at the incredible power concentrated inside. The interior of the NX directly evokes the premium urban feel of the vehicle, combining the structural beauty of a high-performance machine with a material feel that maximizes luxury and functionality. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, airbags front, passenger seat cushion. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.